JDCap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies. And here's a clip for the Y belt axis to hold these settings in on that knob. Once you set the knob and you check the tension. There's also one for the X axis. There's a tool holder that clips on over here that you can make. Another tool holder for a glue stick down there. And we have a tray to hide the cord of the console right there. And more importantly, there's one over here. Sorry guys for this. Right there, that holds the belt up and away from the fan. So those are some of the things I want to show you. You can make tools for your printer. I'm also going to make a TARDIS cup for some tools. And I hope you're having a good day, and it's around the holidays, and I wish you a Merry Christmas, and God bless you. Bye for now.